Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Canva. First, begin by opening Canva and selecting the website option from the main menu. You will then be presented with hundreds of professionally designed templates to choose from, catering to various industries and styles. Pick one that best suits your vision. Next, personalize your chosen template by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand's aesthetic. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your site's foundation and visual identity. Now, let's dive into designing your site. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it incredibly simple to arrange elements exactly where you want them. You can easily resize images, reposition text boxes, and adjust spacing with precision. A critical step is ensuring your website is fully responsive, meaning it looks great and functions perfectly on all devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones and tablets. Don't forget to add interactive elements like clickable buttons and links to guide your visitors through your content effectively. Next, enrich your website with compelling content and useful features. You can easily upload your own high-resolution photos, videos, and audio files directly into your Canva design. For advanced functionality, consider integrating external tools or embedding content from other platforms, such as social media feeds or contact forms. Structure your website logically with clear navigation menus and multiple pages. This ensures visitors can effortlessly find the information they need, creating a seamless and enjoyable browsing experience for everyone. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Canva offers straightforward options to launch your website. You can publish it with a free Canva domain, or, if you prefer, connect your own custom domain name for a more professional look. Once live, actively share your new website across all your social media platforms and other online channels to maximize its reach. Remember to utilize Canva's built-in analytics to track visitor engagement and understand how people interact with your site, helping you make informed improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.